What is going on, everyone? Oh, no, that's the wrong intro. Today we are going to be discussing some of the mod division utilities that we are making open sourced. Before we get into the video topic, please know that this thread was written by GiraffeStock with minor edits by myself, TheiKing, so let's get into it. During the long and hard transition to 1.5.2, which you can read about on the TheiKing's SEC forums, the core mod division team working on the DWCM mod, GiraffeStock, TheiKing, and Yofreke have been discussing continuously what we plan to do with what we have in terms of code. An API has always been planned and is being worked out for the DWCM mod to support downloadable content and add-ons. Currently, we have decided to release certain mod division utilities in the hopes to help the overall Minecraft modding community. What this means is that some of our unique utilities will now be open source for all developers to use, modify, and play with to their heart's delight. The following is the current list of features that we are going to be offering open source. So the command center, no relation to Power Rangers, despite what some people are going to come up with. The command center is a GUI for our debug console. It allows us to spawn mobs, change time, pause the game, reload, etc. with the click of a button. The command center and console are the same thing in terms of code, but with a different look. They are in sync with each other. It currently has a fairly basic look, however we hope to customize it further in the future. The MD console, or mod division console, if you couldn't guess what the two letters stand for. The console has more functionality than the command center, but is text-based. You type in a command, such as day or time day, and the time will be changed. It supports specific parameters and advanced options. An example of specific parameters is for spawning mobs. You can say spawn cow 33, 23, 111, which will spawn 33 cows with 23 health at coordinates 111. Commands are automatically added to both the command center and console and are easy to write. You can find examples of commands on the Git repository, which I don't actually have the link to. I need to point out that this was before Mojang added a similar system to the vanilla game itself. However, this is much more advanced and capable of things that the vanilla console is not. In addition to the standard time and spawn stuff that you're all pretty much accustomed to, the MD console can be used to spawn schematics into your world, among other cool features. Next up, and the last one we have on the current list, is the model viewer. The model viewer is an extension of the command console. You may have seen it in some videos. It renders models from the game in a 3D GUI for viewing your models in-game. It supports any models, whether they are for items, blocks, entities, etc. You can also render it inside custom GUIs for customization. Please understand that as the model viewer evolves into the in-game modeler, that aspect of it may not be bundled in as part of the open source package, as it is a specific Dr. Kleinmod feature regarding the TARDIS. Thank you everyone for watching this video or reading this thread. It was written by GiraffeStock, as I said before. Talk to you all in the next video. Important links and credits are in the outro. Talk to you all later. Today we are going to be discussing some of the again, messing me up. Fuck, I have to redo this.